Hello friends, welcome to our channel Chromatic Kitchen, inspiring hues for culinary spaces. Here we are dedicated to bringing you the freshest and the most innovative kitchen color ideas to transform your culinary heaven into a space that's both functional and visually stunning. From soothing pastels that evoke a sense of calm to bold, vibrant tones that energize your cooking experience, we explore a wide spectrum of color palettes. Our expert term curates and showcases the latest trends, providing you with practical tips on how to incorporate these hues into your kitchen design seamlessly. Each episode is packed with inspiring visuals, in depth analysis of color psychology, and interviews with industry experts to help you make informed decisions about your kitchen's palette. Whether you are into the timeless elegance of classic neutrals or you are seeking a statement making pop of color, we have got you covered. Our diet tutorials and step-by-step guides ensure that you can confidently implement that these colors ideas even if you are a beginner. We believe that the right choice of colors can transform any kitchen, making it a space that reflects your personality and elevates your culinary experiences. Join our vibrant community of kitchen enthusiasts, interior design